Okay, ready.
Happy birthday to you, Shelly.
हैप्पी बर्थडे
शैलू
बेटा हैप्पी बर्थडे
હાલો જયાબેન કયો શૈલીબેન હેપી બર્થડે.
हैप्पी बर्थडे
बोलो
बोलो ना
हैप्पी बर्थडे सोनी पकान तैयार है खाएंगे गॉड ब्लेस यू
Happy
birthday
to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, I'm a happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
हाय शैली हैप्पी बर्थडे
डॉक्टर साहब हैप्पी बर्थडे
हैप्पी बर्थडे
ओ गाना लगा
Happy birthday prospective mother.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Yeah, yeah.
तेरा हैप्पी बर्थडे
तेरा happy birthday.
तेरा हैप्पी बर्थडे
शैली, तेरा happy birthday.
तेरा हैप्पी बर्थडे
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Shelly.
हैप्पी बर्थडे शैली
हैप्पी बर्थडे
Shelly.
Happy
हैप्पी बर्थडे
birthday.
हैप्पी बर्थडे
हैप्पी बर्थडे शैली आई लव यू
हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
अच्छा हो गया सब सबको एक बार दिखाओ.
हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे
Happy birthday. God bless you. Bye.
बाय
Happy birthday, Shelly. Wishing you a very healthy, happy, and a blessed year ahead. You are doing a fantastic job in serving humanity. Extremely, extremely proud of you. I really wish we meet soon. And till then, you stay safe and have a wonderful life. Thank you and wishing you a very happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Shelly. And congrats on your new bundle of joy.
Hi Shelly, wishing you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a great day with your family. And I definitely miss our hostel birthday celebrations at midnight. I think those were the best days. Hoping to celebrate such birthday sometime soon with you. But I wish you have a wonderful year. Love you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे पम्मी एंड कंग्रेचुलेशंस। आज बहुत याद आ रही है तेरी, कितना फ़न होता था तेरा और सोनिया का बर्थडे साथ में मनाने का, और हम लोग कितने फालतू काम करते थे साथ में। बाइक लेके कहीं पे भी पहुंच जाते थे, उसका ब्रेक्स है नहीं है इससे हमें कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता था, और सनसेट देखने रोज़ जैन मंदिर पहुंच जाते थे। आई मिस ऑल दोज क्रेजी डेज। हैव फन and you're very lucky to have Amit with you. Bye.
Hello Shaili, wish you a happy birthday. And this year especially, since you have passed with so much of stress during these corona days, I wish the next year is stress free. And as we are expecting a new member in the family, so let it be the most joyous year of your life. Happy birthday and all the best wishes.
Happy birthday, Shelly. God bless you. May God showers joy and blessings in your life. May God fulfill all your wishes. God bless you. Best of luck for the next coming year.
good health,
Good health and happiness, prosperity, everything. May God bless you.
हैप्पी दिवाली
Happy Diwali also. Happy birthday. Your birthday is on Dhanteras.
लकी
Lucky. May Ma Lakshmi Mata blessing showers the money upon you as a gift of
Goddess
birthday.
Lakshmi.
Birthday. May God bless you. May Lord fulfill all your wishes in the coming next years. Have a fantastic year ahead. Hope you take care. Bye. Happy Diwali. Bol.
Happy birthday, Shelly Masi. Happy birthday, Shelly Masi.
Happy birthday, Shelly Masi.
हैप्पी बर्थडे शैली मासी.
Shelly.
Happy birthday, Shelly Didi.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Shelly. We all love you. Love you, beta. Miss you, Shelly Didi.
Bye.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Bhabhi. May God bless you with good health and happiness.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Bobby. Wish you a very wonderful year ahead. Enjoy your day and have a wonderful year ahead.
Lots of love to you all.
God bless you all.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. कौन सा बर्थडे?
16th.
Happy 16th birthday.
Hey Shaili, happy birthday buddy. Hope everything is fine. Anyways, આ ટ્રેન્ડ બહુ સારો સ્ટાર્ટ થયો છે. ખબર તો પડે કોણ ક્યાં છે શું કરે. It feels weird right now I'm talking with myself. But anyways, have a blast. Enjoy the day. Take care.
Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. May you have a wonderful day and a wonderful year ahead. Also, would like to wish you hearty congratulations to you and your family for a new addition in your family. Hope your health is good. All of you must be doing fine. Take care. Once again, happy birthday. Have a nice day. Bye.
Hi, Shelly. Happy birthday. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. Shelly, we are very proud of you. You have done a very nice job during COVID, and I think there are no words to appreciate for that. I feel very proud to be your friend. Wish you a very happy birthday.
Bye. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday, Shaili. Have a great one.
હેલો શૈલી, જન્મદિવસની તમને ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભકામનાઓ અને આપનું આવનારું વર્ષ સુખ શાંતિ અને સમૃદ્ધિથી હર્યું ભર્યું રહે.
Hey, Jaini. Many happy returns of the day. Wish you love, good luck, happiness, joy, and much more on this special day and the year to come ahead. And heartiest congratulations to you for the little one who's coming in your life to bring you love, good luck, hope, and all the goodness and joys to your life. Missing you so much, Chaini, and the good days we had together. Please come soon. Missing you so much. Let's hope to meet soon. Bye.
Hi, Pami. Happy birthday. I'm so glad I get to wish you on your special day. I wish we could have a chat and sit and talk about all our good old days and feel nostalgic. But I guess this is a special day and I want to see something about you, all our silly fights and how we had all those good times. But more than everything, I always remember how you were such a strong person and you're so kind, and even through all those things you always took an initiative and tried to do things for other people. You were there, you were so loving and caring, and you're such a good friend. I wish you an amazing birthday and I hope you have a fantastic year, and take care. All the lots of love and happy birthday again. Cheers.
Shaili, many happy returns of the day. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Shaili Didi.
Happy birthday, Shelly beta. God bless you all. Stay healthy. Have good times ahead.
Have a wonderful year ahead.
મજા કરો.
જલસા
Hi,
કરતા
Shelly.
રહીએ.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, beta.
असां त एक्सपेक्ट कयो पिया कि तूं हुते घुमण ईंदीअ, पर न तूं त घुमण कोन अची सघंदी न हींअर. ओके
आनंद टे खां 4 ॾींहं पोइ ईंदा घुमण.
ओ Okay. Enjoy your birthday. Surprise birthday party.
Mummy, Tammy, thank you.
Many, many happy returns of the day, Shelly Didi. Have a great day ahead. See you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू बेटा. कैसी है? आज तेरा बहुत स्पेशल दिन है, इसलिए तेरे लिए एक स्पेशल सॉन्ग. तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000. मैं दुआ करती हूँ कि तू हमेशा खुश रहे. भगवान तेरी झोली में सारी खुशियाँ डाले. तू, अमित, मैरू और मेरा नया बेबी सबको बहुत बहुत प्यार. लव यू बेटा. बाय. सी यू soon. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to Shelly.
Happy birthday Shelly.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Shelly Didi.
Birthday to you, Shelly Didi.
Happy birthday to you Shelly. Stay happy and healthy.
God bless you.
Many, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday, Shelly Didi.
Many, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to you.
Wish you a happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Shelly Didi.
Oh, Shelly. Wish you a many, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to you.
Many, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to you, Shelly Didi.
Hello, Shelly. Many, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to you. Hello, Shelly Didi. How are you? Many, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Shelly. I hope you have a good day with your friends and family. And I hope your birthday is as amazing as you.
Happy birthday, Shelly. Enjoy.
Hi Silo, hope you all are doing good. Many, many happy returns of the day. Have a great day and stay safe, okay? Take care.
Hey, happy birthday, Shelly. I hope your special day will bring you a lot of fun, happiness, and love. Enjoy. Long time no see. Let's make a plan, inshallah, soon. मिलते हैं फिर inshallah. And many, many happy returns of the day. Bye.
Hi Shelly, happy birthday. Many, many happy returns of the day and happy Diwali. Enjoy your birthday and Diwali with your beautiful family. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hey Shelly, how are you? Happy birthday. Many, many happy returns of the day. Have fun. Enjoy.